Hi and welcome to Vista NEET Academy, Salem and Erode. Let us check out one question related to gravitation in physics, which is most frequently asked for relation between the gravitational field intensity and also gravitational force. This question was given in 2022 for NEET. Let us solve this problem. A body of mass 60 gram experiences a gravitational force of 3 newtons when placed at a particular point. The magnitude of the gravitational field intensity at that point they are asking. Now, let us write down whatever the given things. Mass of the body is given as 60 grams and the force is given as 3 newtons. This is SI unit and this is CGS unit. Just you convert it into SI units. 60 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Right. Now they are asking us to find out what is the gravitational field intensity. Gravitational field intensity will be denoted by E. They are asking us to find out what is the value of E. Now let us check out what is the relation between gravitational field intensity and also the gravitational force. The field which is exerted with the gravitational force is called as gravitational field, and the intensity per unit mass is nothing but called as your gravitational field intensity. So force by unit mass is nothing but called as your E value. So F is equal to M into E is our formula, relation between the gravitational force and the gravitational field intensity. From here we can derive gravitational field intensity is equal to F by M. Just substitute the values, you are going to get the answer, which implies to E is equal to force is nothing but 3 Newton by mass is nothing but 60 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. So here 3 ones are and this is equal to 3 20s are, which is equal to 1 by 20 is nothing but your 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2, which we can write it as 0.5 into 10 to the power of 2 Newton per kg, or else you can write it as 50 into 50 newtons per kg. So our answer is 50 Newton per kg is our electric field intensity. So option C is the correct answer. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.